I'll show you how to install Laby Mod 4 on Tlauncher. The process is very simple. If you want to enhance your Minecraft experience with amazing mods and features, make sure to follow this step-by-step guide till the end. Let's get started. Step 1. Clean up old Laby Mod files. First, we need to check if there are any old Laby Mod files in the .minecraft folder and delete them. If you've never installed Laby Mod before, you can skip this step. Here's how to do it. Press Ctrl+R on your keyboard. Type %appdata%/.minecraft in the Run dialog box and hit Enter. Look for any files or folders with the name Laby Mod 4 and delete them. Step 2. Download Laby Mod 4. Next, go to the description below, copy the provided link, and paste it into your browser. This will start downloading the Laby Mod 4 client. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the steps in the installation wizard to set up Laby Mod 4. Step 3. Edit the .json file in the versions folder. After installing, go back to the .minecraft folder and navigate to the versions folder. Find the folder for the Laby Mod 4 version. Open the .json file inside the folder using any text editor. Scroll to the bottom of the code and make the necessary changes. You can copy the updated text from the description below. The final step is launch and enjoy. Once you've saved the changes, you're ready to launch Tlauncher with Laby Mod 4. Congratulations, you now have a fully functional Laby Mod 4 client for Tlauncher.